Hi Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 1st of November. Oh my god, today is the 111, okay? Well, not necessarily, but I'm just saying we have a synchronicity in ones today, Aquarius. That is always a good thing, okay? I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Aquarius, this is your channel song, okay? It is. You know this. Aquarius, I can't believe I believed everything we had would last. So young and naive of me, think that she was in your past. Silly of me to dream one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. So dumb naive to believe we would come, that you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete. When you cheat, you lose women. It took me some time, but now I am strong. Cause me, myself, and I is all I got, and me needs is what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow from now I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I is all I got, and the end is what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that now I'm gonna be my own best friend. Just calling you, say you love me, but you don't. Your family told me that one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. No need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very own best friend tried to warn me on the low. It took me some time, but now I am strong. I tell you now, me, myself, and I is all I got. I'm enough. I will drink iced tea instead of lemonade now. I'm all gonna be my own mentor. Jay-Z, when are you gonna leave Beyonce alone? You want me to leave Beyonce alone? No problem. Just tell her to retract the statement that I cheated on her. Stop saying that! Solange already beat your ass in the elevator for cheating on her. Stop saying that! Anyways, Aquarius, we're going ahead and going to your reading. So your channel messages me, myself, and I, okay? I was also pulling some cards for you last night. You got the moon card, Pisces. So something about a Cancer, something about a Pisces. Or I'm getting, yeah, you, yourself, and you. You may be counted 2 times. Anyways, we're going ahead into your tarot card birth chart spread, okay? So we're going to look on all aspects of your planets, all aspects of yourself, the parts of you that you may be picking apart, even though we didn't tell you to do that, okay? The reading is going to be pretty simple and dry. Not dry, sweetie, ask Scarborough, I'm never dry, right? But we do want to be considerate when it comes down to time, so I'll try to not do a lot of interpretation and let the cards interpret on their own. Let's go, Aquarius. Let's look on your self-image first of all, Aquarius. So the King of Cups. You're dealing with a Cancer, the Moon card, or you're dealing with a Pisces. I'm getting your self-image. You believe that you're very, very sweet, Aquarius. Very sweet, very communicative, very forgiving. Right now, you're in your mature masculine energy of being just this sweet, supportive person. What is your value? The King of Pentacles. I'm getting not only are you sweet, but you got money. I'm getting you do business as well as your character is. So I'm getting right now things are up for you. Right now you may be, I'm getting work is going great for you when it comes down to valuing yourself. What you want to buy for yourself, type of assets that you have in your possession right now. I'm getting things are going great. You're the king in your self-image. You're the king in your value. Let's see what your communication is saying. The 8 of Cups. I'm getting you like to walk away from your problems, or anytime you do something wrong. Maybe you're not confrontational. This could be true, but I'm getting every single time somebody needs to talk to you about a situation, you walk away. Or you go ghost. What is your home life? The Two of Pentacles. You're going back and forth. You don't know if you want to have a home life or you want to have a bachelor life, basically. What is your creativity? The Moon card. You're dealing with a Cancer or you're dealing with a Pisces. Because your message was, as I said, I was pulling cards for you last night. The Moon card. Pisces. The Moon. So something about a Pisces. Your creativity, you're not sure. I don't know if you want to do something alone and you want to leave a wife, you want to leave whatever partner you have to go on to this adventure on your own. What is your productivity? The Judgment card. I'm getting you have a lot of business, you have a lot of money, but when it comes down to your family, communicating, your home life and creativity, all of that is one big confusion. Yes, you have everything sorted out at work and your image as to how people see you, but I'm getting you're a very unhappy person when it comes down to your home life, your creativity, your production. You feel like you could be producing more, but you feel like your home life is in your way. What's up with your partnerships? The Ace of Swords. I'm getting that's what you're looking on. You're looking on partnerships. So maybe you're dating online, you're talking to new potential dating people. But we're getting you have a lot of money, you have a lot of intelligence and maturity. Now you want to use it. So I'm getting from Mars, I'm getting Mars, the Moon, the Sun, work life and relationships. All of that is something you're figuring out right now. I'm getting you want to meet somebody. You might meet them online, or I'm getting you going to start talking to somebody about how you feel. Your inheritance is the Ace of Wands. So you might have inherited a family business, or I'm getting add a new addition of service onto the business you already have. Partnership and inheritance are both the aces. So I don't know if this is love and business, or I'm getting right now you mess up the business because you're chasing love, something like that. What's your philosophy? It is the Six of Swords again. When it comes down to your philosophy, when it comes down to your communication, you keep running, you keep abandoning the talk. Like you keep avoiding the elephant in the room. And it's not the fact that that nigga fucked your bitch because you were a lame ass who would like to torment her. Great. Your ambition is the Two of Wands. You want to relocate anyways. Maybe that's why you don't really care about family life or starting up anything, learning anything, gaining any inheritance where you are. You want to leave anyways. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Well, yeah, two more. Yeah. What is your inner self? Your inner self is a star card. So I'm getting you are a celebrity, or I'm getting you in the public eye. Or I'm getting, yes, you're in the public eye, yes, you're successful, you make a lot of money, but it's lonely at the top. It's lonely. You can't bring a lot of people with you at the top. And sometimes you bring people with you, them tear your back blood clot down, so you have to leave them on the way. I'm getting you're a celebrity though, and that's your inner self. This is how you feel. Even though your ambitions is saying that you want to relocate. It's really about you having everything you need already to navigate this life. But when it comes on to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 other aspects of your life, it's a total mess. You don't know what you want to do. You avoid confrontation. You hide secrets, right? You need to tell somebody something you haven't told them yet. Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords. We don't know if you're gay. You need to come out, tell me. Why are you gay? Right? We don't know if that's what you need to do. But we're just getting a keeper avoid. Your keeper. Like, yes, your sun and your moon is good, but your Venus off, your Mercury off, your Pluto off, your Saturn off, everything just off. So I'm getting you really need to take some time out to maybe think what you want, or just to move yourself to calmer waters to see, is this a decision I want? I don't see a decision here. I just see a very wealthy businessman with a lot of issues thinking about in the nights. We have the Moon card again. I told you you're dealing with a Cancer or the Moon. The Moon. That's what I pulled for you last night. We have 11:11. So time to wake up. We have Temperance, which is the angel. We have Genius IQ. We have It's Over. And we have I can't believe I believe everything you ever. Cosby have funny nose. I'm your husband. my name, say my name. Doom, 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 say my name. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.